beg, come interview me. Oh. I swear I never chop anything since last week. I swear.
Hey, you see this 2025, if you no get mouth where you go take talk, if you no sabi use social media where this time, I beg they go line up. They go line up. Not be how many days. The video where Cubana, the guy where the claim say Cubana, you don't say they be family. Cubana talks say they no be family. That one no concern me.
Like I said before, we don't know who he is. We don't know him from anywhere. He's not related to our family. He's not related to my brother's wife's family.
You know, concern me, oh. So you not be concerned, not concern.
Not be concerned, it's concerned.
You don't understand. Before release, say, Burna Boy, me they find, oh. Thank God for this guy, lucky dude. How many of you remember this guy?
How many of you remember this guy?
You see, the guy, he don't blow, he don't collect your money.
I'm so grateful. Like, I no feel receive now. Make una help me thank Odogu. Baba Burna Boy, make una help me thank him.
$30,000, 48 million naira. $30,000, 48 million naira. The guy don't do waiting. He don't collect his own. No, they don't finally find the guy.
Oh my goodness, Burna Boy just fulfilled his promise. My head won't blow.
Talk to me. This will make you look good.
No,
yourself.
never.
Life change.
I'll show you my shop.
That be the thing. That will make me happy.
Yes. Burna Boy, God go bless you. God go bless you. When I do well, oh. Now you talk say 2025. Some people still go make money. Okay, you know make money last year, 2024. You never let you go still make money. Know how to use your mouth. I beg. Whoever want interview me I dey available. I dey available. Something they worry me too. Me too, I won't collect my own. I talk my own. I talk my own. Not be say they okay. They okay. That one going to go. Cubana. Hey, Odogu, Baba. Bro, now you dey trend past for this social media where we dey right now. Now you dey trend past. Bro, I give unto you. Anyways, now not say you don't get one picking for Kenya.
I am the lady who has a child with cubana cheif. I am a Kenyan lady. So I was just requesting, wherever you are, Pascal, this is your son. We are struggling right now. It's just hand to mouth.
Not be only that, the lady crowd because no say Naija. See, Naija we too much. We don't do wrong one nor two things before. You think you come block him. The woman come crowd say we know. Even if the woman they hard to say we don't know. A carrying Peking we share him for one kind ghetto. The thing be say the grace don't finally find out. I see one up there. I don't know how far it's true. Now Burna Boy, now him be the grandfather. Now him be the man where they settle Cubana problem. When Cubana don't they act like Akpe.
This is Speedality, aka Akpe. Now he got us in be the really Odogu where they town.
Talking up to Burna Boy don't mean shit. I am Odogu.
See, this one will be Odogu.
No day after Burna post his picture with Diddy, the next year I've been at the same particular year, Burna won Grammy. So I just wonder, Burna Boy, this video, I they ask you question. Don't get offended. Now question I they ask. How many oil did he drop for your nyash?
Akpe day inside where it day, but Cubana dey flex. Cubana dey flex because na level. If your level never reach here, if you still there here, no they mix arm with person. We be say then get same level. Anyways, I beg, come interview me. I swear I never chop anything since yesterday. I swear. You want to interview me? I beg, meter. No matter for my own 30 meter. You don't do me. Do me, thank you. Let me share this video. Let me share them. I beg share them now. Share.
MC Bobby Productions.